Atkins Civil 3D video series, BAS 1, Client and Project folder. This video illustrates A. Create client or the working folder. B. Create project folder. Windows Explorer is shown in the foreground with AutoCAD Civil 3D in the background. The Civil 3D project folder should be included with the first tier folders in the server drive. The clients folders, also called working folders, are the first tier folders in the Civil 3D project folder. Individual projects for each client are shown in their own folder, which are the first tier folders in each client folder. Each individual project folder may have several subfolders that contain drawings, shortcuts, documents, and other data associated with the project. For this video, a new client named John Doe will be added to the Civil 3D Projects folder. Right-click Civil 3D Project, New Folder, John Doe. Enter. After creation, John Doe needs to be set as a working folder. The Civil 3D ribbon, the Manage tab, set working folder. Browse to the John Doe folder, select OK. For this video, a project folder named ABC Road Improvement will be created in the John Doe folder using Civil 3D. In the Manage tab, select New Shortcuts folder. The John Doe working folder is displayed. The name of the new project is ABC Road Improvement. Select the project template, select Atkins project template. OK. Windows Explorer is again displayed, showing that the ABC Road Improvement has been created in the John Doe folder, along with several subfolders that are contained in the Atkins project template. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.